Hello, today I'll show you how to add a shop to the diamond clicker in Scratch. As you can see, this is a shop button, and if I open it, there will be items you can buy, which helps you get more clicks. So let's get started. First, go to your diamond clicker game and make a new sprite named Shop Button. Use the box tool. Make the fill a grayish color and make the outline a darker gray. Now, make it a good size and the outline too, and drag it to where you want it to be. Now use this tool and click these corners like this. Make sure to do it for all the corners. Then press Shift and select all the corners and delete them. Now you have a smooth square. Now use the line tool and make it white and make the line thickness less. Now press Shift and draw a line, then a line like this, then like this, and then like this, and like this. Now something like this. Now use the paint tool and paint two circles here and here. Now select everything and group it and put it in the middle. And if you want, you can make it a better size. Now, when green flag clicked, forever. Oh yeah, and also make a new variable named open close for all sprites. Set open close to 1. Now, if else, change size by size. There's a divide and a minus. Now, in here 120, and here is 3. And in the middle is size. Duplicate this and put it in the else and set this to 100. And if touching mouse pointer. Now if mouse down, then another if else, and then open close equals 1. If it equals 1, broadcast new message open shop. And if it isn't 1, then it's close shop. When I receive open shop, wait 0 seconds and set open close to 0. Else, when close shop, set it to 1. Now, make a new sprite named shop. Use the box tool and make it a gray color. And drag a box like this. Put it in about here. Then drag it down and make it fit like this. Put it in the middle and drag it to where you want it to be again. As you can see. Now, use the box tool again and make sure there is no fill and outline. Oops, not for that. And draw a box like this. This will make it so that the box can go off screen. Now, in the code for shop, we would do, when green flag clicked, make two new variables named offset for this sprite only and X for this sprite only. Set offset to 350, then set X to 350, and go to the X will be 350 and the Y will be there, which is -29. Now, forever, set X to X, a plus and then a times, and the other side is a divide. And here is a 5. And the X times 0.8 plus offset divided by 5. And set X to X. Oh, and before you test it, when I receive shop open, set offset to 157, and when I receive close, 350. Now if you test it, when you click it, it will open and close the shop. Now, in here, let's make the diamond also move. Make two new variables that are the same from shop: offset for this sprite only and X for this sprite only. And go to shop and drag this into here and put it in here. Now, same with these. These two blocks. But when open shop, it will be, when you open it, move the diamond to here. So that will be -88. And when closed, it will be 0. Now if you test it, oh, and also make sure at the start to set X to 0. Now, oh, and set offset. Now, when you open it and close it, it would do this. Now, in the shop sprite, create a new block and name it create clone. Run without screen refresh. Now in here, create a Y for this sprite only. Set Y to 97 and go to 0, 0 and put it in here. Now, in the costumes, duplicate this, name this shop, and then name this button. Now, make it smaller like this. And this. Now, make it a darkerish fill and an outline that is darker. And then make it a good size. Now, use this tool to make the corners smooth. Like what we did with the shop button. And delete all the corners. Oops. Now, make it a good size. Use the text tool and for upgrade 1, name this upgrade 1. Now, this will cost 50 diamonds. And make it the color green. And make it a good size. Like this. Then, duplicate this and make it white. And make it slightly bigger. This time it will do plus diamond per click. And plus 1 diamond per click. And move this to here, as you can see, like this. Now use the box tool and make the fill white and drag a box, then press shift and do a 90 degrees. Use this tool and delete the bottom part. Now make this smaller and rotate it. Use the line tool and also make it white and drag it like this. Make it thicker. Now you have a cursor. This will be upgrade 1. Now back in the code, we would do switch costume to upgrade 1. Repeat 1 time. Create a clone of myself. Then next costume and change Y by -50. And switch costume to shop. Now if you test it, make sure this is still -29. Now if you test it, it would go back. Now, when I start as a clone, forever, go to front. Then, set. Then, duplicate this and put it in here. And this time, go to X and Y. Then, if else, touching mouse pointer, and then change size by a divide and a minus, then size 110 with 3, and the else is 100. Now make a new variable named cost for this sprite only. And now if else, costume number equals costume number equals 1, then duplicate this and put it in the bottom part of here, which is equals 1. Set cost to 50, and now make a new variable named brightness for this sprite only as well, and set brightness to brightness times a plus, then a times 0.8. Brightness, then the brightness offset for this sprite only. So now plus brightness offset divided by 5 divided by 5. Then another if else, and also set brightness to brightness, and if diamonds is greater than the cost, or if it's or diamonds equals the cost, then we will set brightness offset to 0. Else set it to -15. Now if you test it, as you can see, it will be negative. It will be dark. But if you click all the way to 50, as you can see, then it will go. The brightness will be brighter. Now, in the shop for here, if change diamonds by diamonds times change diamonds by cost times -1, and make a new variable named diamonds per click for all sprites. Oh, wait, no, diamonds per second. Diamonds per second for all sprites. And change diamonds per second by 1. And in the diamond sprite, set diamonds per second to 0. Now, duplicate number of diamonds, and instead of the diamond icon, use the text tool, make it white, and type diamonds per sec for seconds. Make it a good size and put it in the middle. Now, in here, move it to where you want it to be. So stop the game. We first delete all of these, and then delete this, and change this to 25 clones. And go to number of diamonds. Make sure to switch costume to diamond icon. Now if you start and move this in the sprite to here. And for this, set the size to 40 and make it go to where you want the number to be. And this will be 126. So here. Now, switch these diamonds to diamonds per second. Now, in the shop, duplicate the upgrade. This time it would cost 100 diamonds. This time it will be, oh, and also make sure this is per second. And this is per click. Now, duplicate this, put it in the else. If costume number equals 2, set the cost to 100. Put it in here. Set this to 2, and then the cost. This time, diamonds per click by 1. And repeat by 2. Now if you start, oh, and also make sure for all of these, make sure there's a if, another if. Duplicate this, delete all of that, and keep this. Drag it up. Now if diamonds, so if the cost is equal, then, oh, and also make sure there is a if mouse down, and also wait until not mouse down. Not mouse down, as you can see in here. And also make sure this is actually here and not here, so it's here. And click buy, then diamonds per click will go up. Now, in the diamonds, do another broadcast named diamonds per click, diamonds per second. And when I receive diamonds per second, forever, wait 1 second, change diamonds by diamonds per second. Now if you test it and get to 50 gems, and click this, as you can see, it'll go up every second. Now you have a shop for the diamond clicker. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.